Hello everyone, it's Security Man here again, and we are still on Web Security Academy's learning part, server-side vulnerabilities, and today we're looking at this lab user role controlled by request parameter. And the solution says this lab has an admin panel at /admin which identifies administrators by using a forgeable cookie. Solve the lab by accessing the admin panel and using it to delete the user Carlos. So the goal of this lab is to gain administrative access and delete the user Carlos. Alright then, so let's hit the lab. So while the lab loads, there are several ways to solve this particular labs, but today we are going to be using solving the lab from the back end, because you cannot you will be able to see the admin panel, but you will not be able to delete the user Carlos on the UI. So we'll enter the credentials given to us, Vienna, and password Peter. And we'll go to, we will append the URL to see the admin panel /admin. And look here, it says this admin interface is only available if you are logged in as an administrator. And since we are not logged in as an administrator, we have our Burp Suite running, and so we're going to go behind the scene and find that request. And if you look at the request, the body of the request, you can see is admin is equals to 4. So we're going to forward this to repeater now, and we're going to say that admin is equals to true, and then send the request. And here we have 200. Okay, so we will view the response in browser, copy, go to your browser and paste and enter, and we can see the admin panel. Now we will try to delete the user Carlos, and you can see we are not able to delete the user Carlos because the application still sees that we are not an administrator. So we'll go back to the back end again and tell it that we are an admin. So we'll forward the delete request to repeater again, and say we are admin, so admin equals to true. And here we'll forward the request and see we have 302 found. So let's view the response in browser, open response in browser, copy and paste it and enter. And you see here it says congratulations, we have solved the lab. So what we basically did is convince the server that we are the admin, or we have basically we gained admin privilege through the API, because if you try to delete the user through the front end, you'll be unable to, but we can manipulate that through the back end and tell the server that we are an admin and therefore have access to delete the user Carlos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.